Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Mobile Legends Bang Bang to a Moonton account. Connecting Mobile Legends Bang Bang to a Moonton account is very important. It keeps your game progress safe, helps you recover your account if you change phones, and lets you log in easily from any device. First of all, launch open Mobile Legends Bang Bang on your device and wait for the main lobby to load. Once you're inside the lobby screen, tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. From your profile section, click on Account on the left. Now you will be able to see the Moonton Account option at the top. Click on Tap to connect. Now on the next page, if you haven't registered yet for Moonton, you can enter a valid email address in the text box. Once done, head over to the next field and type in a password. Make sure to create a strong password with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and no special symbol. Re-enter the password once again in the next field and finally click Submit. Soon after you do that, you will be able to safely connect Mobile Legends Bang Bang with your Moonton account. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.